So welcome back to the channel, guys. Let us see how the support and resistance work today. So in Nifty, we got only one chance here. This was the only entry we got today. The crossover happened, taking support from bullish support zone. So this was the perfect entry, and this was the exit. So it worked. It gave one chance in Nifty. Let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, the chance was here. You can see the crossover happened. It took the support from the again from the bullish support zone. So this was the perfect entry. And if you could have trailed here, but I will exit here. That's what normally I do. I do trade from one line to the other. So that's with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's check how our stocks performed. Let's start with Reliance. So again in Reliance, this was the opportunity. Got rejected, crossover happened. We could have entered here, exited here. This was the one chance we got today. Again, we could have entered here. The crossover happened. Again, exit. That's the entries that happened in Reliance. Let's see HDFC. HDFC, towards the end of the day, this was one opportunity here, this one, and it got rejected from the top. So this was perfect. Take the entry here, exit. The condition was met here. Again, in the morning, it got rejected from the resistance here. You could have entered after the crossover that is here. You could have exited here. Like I said, I trade from line to line. So you could have trailed it. Anyway, it will come back and hit your stop loss. So these are the two entries, one here and one here in HDFC. Again in Kotak, you can see this was the perfect entry. Took support from bullish support zone. The crossover happened. Took support at this support line and went back and took resistance at the next line. So this was the one entry. Again HDFC. So this was one entry here. You can see it took support and got hit the and got the next target. Again you could have entered here, but like I don't know, this was the perfect entry because it was at the bottom. It took support at the line. This was a perfect entry. This was also a perfect entry because the crossover happened. I took the support. I would have entered here. This candle I would have entered and exited here. So let us see Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever, it morning it crashed. There was no perfect entry because the crossover, like here the candles was coming down aggressively. So no, like literally no uh, trading opportunities was there. Here the crossover happened downwards because, but I didn't have a line at the bottom. I didn't take any trade. Like I won't take a trade here. The same happened at here. So but with our setup, it's not like I won't take a trade in Hindustan Unilever today. Let's see TCS. TCS again, gap down open, it crashed. Uh, Again went up. Here I would have entered because it's a long wick and a crossover happened. So I would have entered here and exited here. That was the only entry in TCS today. So almost except Hindustan Unilever, I think each stock gave at least one opportunity to take a trade today. One second, something happened to my, yeah, at least one opportunity in each stock except the Hindustan Unilever. So let's see the levels for tomorrow. So these are the levels for tomorrow. And one more thing, don't take each crossover happening in stochastic RSI. Take those trades, take those crossovers that's happening near the resistance or support. Don't go for each and every stochastic. And these black dotted lines are the uh, low and high of the past day. So I have marked that too because it acts as a resistance and support most of the time. So these are the levels for tomorrow. This is for Nifty. You can pause this and write the levels, or you can just go to the Telegram. I have shared the screenshot. So this is for Nifty. This is for Bank Nifty. This is for Reliance. HDFC Bank. This is for Kotak. This is for HDFC. Hindustan Unilever, and finally TCS. So hope you all have a good trading day tomorrow. So see you in the next one. Bye.